Hey guys, it's Jesse the Sandu Davenport. Today we're going to take a quick look at a Desert Fox. This is 21SW, non-slide unit. These are made in Oregon. If you look down the side here, this has the generator in the fuel station down here. You got LED lights through here. There's an outside shower. Come around the front here. This has a higher jack up front with the bigger tanks. And we're going to put 2 batteries on the front right here on the front. This has your toy lock. You got an awning down the side here with a light in this, with outside speakers, lights down the side with a motion sensor on these that come on. If you come inside here, this has the 3-step aluminum, very lightweight. If you look in the back here, has the bed, comes down, the front flips over, makes into a couch. You got cables off the back, so that folds out. Nice cabinets in this. Surround sound, touchscreen stereo. If you come up front here, it's got all the new appliances. Solid surface counters. It's got a big high roof in it with LED lights. This is the front bath up here in the front with the shower to your right. There's a fantastic vent above your head there. Very well insulated. And my number's on the screen there. If you have any questions, you give me a call on my cell phone at 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.